Hello parents, this is a very simple activity that you can do at home with your child to help him practice and recognize numbers. So I set up all my flashcards on the bottom and the numbers are random, in a random order, they are not in order. And I just, on top of them, I have a bunch of toys and just basically tell your child to sort them out, but the ones that are alike, like for example right now I'm lining up the fence pieces, and now I'm separating the two pigs and finally the trees. So I sorted out three groups of things: the fences, the pigs, and the trees. Now I have them all organized, so now it's just basically count how many are in each group. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3 for the fence, and now the child has to look for the right number, number 3, and put it aside. And now the pigs. How many pigs are there? Where's number? Oh, 2. There you go. 2. Label it. Now, how many trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many? 5. So now I pick up the number 5 and I just put it over there. Yeah. And now, just for fun, I'm just gonna set up the fence. So the pigs can be like a little home for the pigs, and then obviously I'm gonna form a triangle-like structure with 3 sides, which is good for the kids to remember that triangles have 3 sides. I'm gonna put the 2 pigs inside and then put the number 2 in there to remind the students that there are 2 pigs, and finally set up the trees to make a little scene. One more, and that makes 5. And as you can see, it's a very simple activity.